Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a walk-around startup and drive video on this gorgeous 1989 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. Now, this thing does feature a fuel-injected 350 engine with a 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. This K5 has been completely restored. Very, very nice truck. All new paint, all new glass, all new interior, rebuilt engine, new wheels, new tires, new caps, new beauty rings, new door handles, new mirrors, new antenna, new wiper arms, new chrome bumpers front and rear, new grille, headlight bezels, parking lights, headlights, side marker lights. This thing is absolutely gorgeous, two-tone blue in color, and just an absolutely beautiful K5. If you've been looking for one, you don't have to look any further. Here it is. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, has you covered. 1989 K5 Blazer. This thing is straight. It is beautiful. The paint job is gorgeous on this truck. These things are bringing a lot of money right now. And if you want a good one, this is a good one. This isn't no $25,000, $30,000 slammed together K5. This is a beautiful truck, beautiful interior. All billet inserts on the dash, instrument cluster, door panels, brake pedal, gas pedal, e-brake pedal, hood handle, e-brake handle. Nice little cup holder here. I love these cup holders in these trucks. You can just see how nice a quality this truck is. New door panels, new window switches, new window motors. Check out them doors. Headliners, sun visors. Back seat as well. Just like the front seat. New carpeting, all new seats, new seat belts, new interior side panels, new grab handles, everything on this thing. This is probably the nicest 89 K5 Blazer I've ever seen. Doors are shut, open and shut perfectly. BF Goodrich all-terrain TA tires. Power steering, power brakes, factory air. The only thing you'll see is a little bit of dirt that I may have got on the floor mat driving it in and out of here. Seats are super comfortable. Got a billet specialty wheel on it, Dakota digital dash. Rear window up, down. Got a new motor in it, new switches for the rear. LED lights. I think I got one bulb out up front here. Looks just like it should underneath the hood. Got a set of headers on it. Hood insulator, brand new. Very, very nice, clean 1985 or 89 K5 Blazer. Kind of rolls off your tongue there. K5 85. Again, you can check out the paint on this thing. Gorgeous paint. Kenyon Classic Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Let's take this baby for a ride. I drove it earlier today. Guy needed a ride up to one of my other buildings, so I gave him a ride. So watch this when I go out here. Just a nice truck. Real tight inside. You don't hear a bunch of rattles, squeaks, air leaks, nothing like that. Just a gorgeous 89 K5 four-wheel drive Blazer. If you're looking for one of the best ones, give us a call. 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory on a daily basis. So if you're interested in purchasing this beautiful K5 Blazer, give us a call today, and let's put this in your garage. I really appreciate you watching all the videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. Have a great afternoon. Beautiful sunny Iowa. Talk to everybody later.